say they normal.
No.
Let you say the craze not finish.
Craze finish.
Craze not be finish.
Craze finish. Sister, what you tell me now be say those boys they come the buga. Huh? They talk say make I go call the person where I work for. Say nothing go happen.
No. What you make another look? No, another look now. If you say the anchor was there with you. No.
No.
You say what they request?
Yes.
They request abi. Where they go?
Jari papa.
You go back. You inside the buga. There you they go. If they say you fight now you go fit fight. Please go just blow your head like you go here. They don't understand that risk your sister.
Cassava. Rise up your mouth and make I hear word.
Come. Cassava, what thing they give you moral for this ghetto? Yeah? How can you go take 700 and give me 200 and run to waiting?
You know say na me Bicolo. I Bicolo mental. I know the hear word.
Golo, chipping. My ears stand like standing fan.
Cassava. Wetin give you mind? Wetin make you collect 700 naira? Okay now, as you collect the 700 naira, how much you want make 3 of us come share?
Na see me o. No let 300 they give me inside this thing. Based on no matter say na me and you say follow run the matter. I be one more pen. I know na see dey be. I dey follow you to na.
Back where? Who you help? Where you?
Okay.
My name na Cassava, aka Tascoria Aluta.
Oga.
Will not be made to men a
Oga.
chicken and shoe size.
No, they make noise. For this worry, nobody make noise for worry. Oh. I tell you.
Yes.
Who be that? Where they dey? Where they dey?
Na that be this.
Who use this one? No. I see what my eye dey see.
No, what you eye dey see? You get eye where they see road?
Ask her.
You get eye? Huh? Now which of una collect my sister money?
Wait. Now we, as in, now we where they here so, now these babes run, enter this ghetto to come checkmate us.
That person no go see for this ghetto. See me see Rimata o. Na Rimata be this o.
You dey rake. You dey stretch.
Exactly.
You dey stretch. You
Yes,
dey
sir.
reach me. I bet which shop they collect the money? Tell me, sure?
Sister, now this one will keep here next time. The fan, I'm collect the money.
Your papa. I said, your real papa.
Papa too.
You know they fear again, Abi.
I don't fear you.
See. If I open my hand, you don't want to come up for here, so. Come up for here.
I will beat you now.
Where you, Ageli?
Nonsense.
My name na Cassava, aka Tascoria Aluta.
Let them know.
Where you? Small pin charger. You never know say twin C no be toothpick. E just a mezebu.
Inside life.
Where you? Inside life. Oríṣiríṣi ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o.
You rich? No, you rich. You get money. I dey come for you. Wait. You get it. That's the way you talk. You say what?
Give her answer.
You say what? Hey, my papa. You dey cost my pale. Hey. You no first know say Rukewe pale don buy. You don be o. You don't know me.
They don't
No, my pale. You can't just say you dey so pale. You dey craze.
They're not rich.
Let me get the matter.
You dey craze. Come, when I bring my sister money. Oh yeah, the money. You want that to go market?
Sharply. Bring the money now. I go ginger for now.
See this guy. See, man, just stay here. Just leave them because as you see them, their head they go rise like bread when they soak inside water. Maybe they just dey booga for now.
Yes, nothing.
Okay, so now because my sister waka pass in us salute now make una come stop her collect the money. Una don't know me for this worry.
See. Before I open my eye now, close up. Make it be so don't permit here. If not, I go start doing one by one.
Where
I
you?
go from the least to the last. I'm gonna give you one by one. Nah. Let's close. I'm gonna run. You're mad. You're mad. You the mad. See me swallow.
Shut up.
You the press.
Shut up, first.
Shut up. No, you the buga. Look at what you dey see.
The buga.
I did the bleach.
Bomb shot.
Hey, the bleach. Even we have bomb shot. I dey talk you dey talk.
Make God
I go run enter you.
Make God this now. Make
I
God
go
this now.
run enter you like
Make
mad.
God this
I
now.
go run enter you like mad.
Make God this now. You don't like it.
Omo, that guy collect, sha. You get me, sha?
Omo, I dey tell you, I know why you can't catch me small.
Hey,
Enter me. Yeah, no, understand. No. Why fear go catch you? When me I dey here? I mean, you not trust me.
I will trust
Sure.
you.
But now let you for trouble now.
If I stand you, if I stand this way here, he go enter inside.
Hey.
You the Chris.
But that's last when that guy collect that bite, you know, that bite enter inside, inna.
Omo, those guys, they no expect her. You enter them. You enter.
Betting on your call, I beg you deserve an award. You bet on.
You
That one we wear skirts. Smart stuff for bitter.
See Ogbolo.
You get funny.
See Ogbolo. No, you come.
See Ogbolo.
That's why you call it. Now you dey. Come here. Look, patient.
If I know, if
What do you want matter, Malena? What do you want matter, Malena? You the Chris.
they don't do the slap me.
No. I go ask now. I'll go ask now. Malena go say, you don't go fight again. Because now let you be good pikin. Now let me not bad for this life where Malena see. You don't know that you fight nine kosa.
I'll go use this to cover.
Rookie, don't do nothing. You know to go up. I carry go my house. I get one fine top for you. You go enter your shoulder. I'll call rise.
You mean for her, enough for me.
Ask my sister.
For
For who? No, so you know they see your size. No, tell her. You know they see your size. How your body and my body say be the same thing. Because of the marriage, they follow you work now. You know you see the way around everywhere. See you. Even the burger fisherman, they say, Papa. God, I beg you. Come. You get Polo to give me.
I get now.
You get Polo to give me.
Last, I design your own for you.
Where you go now?
Now.
I say now which kind life be this your rookie? I say now which kind life be this your rookie?
Which kind of mumu stop? Male mingo. Male tuale for you.
Where are you people coming from?
We go church.
Market. Church, market. Which one it be? Which one it be?
Male, we fair go church for church. We call branch market.
Okay, where?
Male.
Tega. Una they look for my trouble. Una they look for my trouble. When una find that trouble, una no go like am.
Sure. Which trouble we call the fire? I mean, I look for God trouble. We say we go church. Now be trouble. So we not fit go church again.
Why you they bring God into this matter? You look for trouble, begin call God. Anyway, I want to ask una. The food why I say make una cook before I leave this house. Where the food dey?
That's your pikin.
What it be? You know if you talk again, I be something there your mouth.
Oh, food. It be like say you give me money for this morning.
The grace. Small madness. Where they like star, it dey your head.
Male, boys collect them from my hand.
What you think?
They attack me.
Shut up! I heard what you said. Which kind nonsense? Which kind matter you dey yarn so? Which one be say boys collect money from you? You dey craze? You say wetin happen? Listen I no want trouble I no want una trouble. All I want is for you to provide my money. As you no fit provide my money, you know what you go do? You go provide the food where we go drop this night. I don't want hear any nonsense so. Else, wetin I go do to the two of you? Wait,
That's what they name me for. Sure.
You say waiting.
God, I beg you.
Mama Lena, sister, she know
You the craze.
let me fight.
You know the craze. What did they talk about your mouth? What did they talk?
You don't fit tell her fight waiting. Wetin dey talk?
I told her make she fight on the boy. She not do it.
It be like say bomb dead this your head though. Then the one where you carry me go where they want to kill me through where I went to. God, I beg you. Male, what you say they go dey yam? No matter you dey yam. Pikin tell you say if they walk up for road, area boys come hold her. Make her collect money. Say make her provide food when we go. If they punch your eye like this now. Now you go bring money.
You dey craze. You dey craze. You don't fit defend your sister.
Yes, she the Chris not be defend me.
Sure. See finish her. Take her. Me the Chris. No, me the Chris. No, give me. Me the Chris, abi. Me the Chris. No, go. Me the Chris. No, me the Chris. No, you don't. Your mama not teach you well now. I blame you.
You just stupid. What if you say in mama no teacher?
If you teach her, you go curse me.
You the crazy. I curse yourself.
You curse me?
Yes.
Mala, this way they say not good though. It's not good. Mala, give my slippers. Mala, give my slippers. Give me. Don't so Gary. When you so Gary, can you back here? So Gary.
No, sir. Idiot, both of you. Stupid children. Not be me born now. The back I take born on, not the front. Nonsense. Which kind of nonsense with this? Let's not forget money. The little woman giving children food. They're going to do like idiots. Now better than they yarn for that place.
I say now which kind life be this your I say now which kind life be this your
Male, as things they go like this, my WAEC don't they come o. I mean I won't register for that exam.
You won't register now, but my daughter, you not go put me for trouble. Your man, don't get anything. Maybe now that small money where I put for crayfish where they say I need the eye. I don't feel given to you. You go job first before we even talk of school.
What you want make we can't do now? Me, I won't write that exam. Oh.
Don't worry yourself. You see that exam. You're a writer.
How now?
Sure. You not believe in me. I say you go write that exam. Any I be, you're a writer. Sure? You don't know my name. God put me for this family. Sure?
God put you. Where God won't minus you soon. Make I just tell you something. No. This one where you do talk or make you not go put your hand, chook your hand for something where no good do. No go do the thing where you go take just spell the name of this family. My hand no there more. I thank God beg you.
Wait, man. What do you the try talk? No. Tell me now. This small family meeting now, where we you just gather and I say, we talk this pattern now. You can't work cause and may fight just the boss and maybe you the shot. Now what do you want? So you don't get now say after they work out for area now. You can't hear say look at I got thief. You don't hear her. I be you teach your children how to thief. Sure. I go make money legally, not be illegally. God I beg go.
I beg.
Look at Pikin. No, you look Pikin where you born.
Okay.
You know the
You crazy. Don't touch my body again, no.
Sure.
Look you say this I don't know you again.
It's a Pikin that he get brain. He not be drop out like me and you.
Sure. Who be drop out?
Me and you now.
The craze. Now you be drop out, not be me.
Hello.
See this stupid girl though.
Sure. Your politician me now. Say you be drop out now.
How old you be when my papa died?
6 years.
2 months.
Yeah.
You see, you don't get brain. Porous, na be.
Who shall be 2 months? How many years did they wait paleda?
I beg. Make I tell you something. You see this your brain. Now Obolaeke. Now so the Igbo people they call him Obolaeke.
He said smart now where you just go Igbo land, go buy crayfish now. You that the year, not the year what they
get. You see
what
thing I dey talk? Igbo land no dey sell crayfish. Now quite bomb I tell you say they go. This for your brain now.
See now where yourself you go school. I mean now go school. Make sure say you not jump at bros, you call me.
Okay, I'll call you now. You know, say if I call you better, they already come. Based on who I be.
Now, so you talk, go straight to the point.
Listen, not the rush. Sure? No, calm down. You know that my cousin, Prime, when he come last month, he organized one dancing competition for musical video. Who go win now? Go come out with 50 bali. Shock you, Abi.
50 bali?
50 bali, I tell you now.
Bros, the money, you don't
No, calm down. I'll carry the money. Can't give you here. I can't give you info.
No, bros. You supposed to collect the money now. You don't know the people wake up for city. They are not good. Now, I don't go now. Don't dance now. Don't show up my step now. My, you know. You can't video me now. Go carry the dance. Go city. Go they teach people. No, you supposed to collect the money. You are not sharp. After you say you know what's up. God, I beg you. Sure.
What did they do you now? So you know about dance man? You carry money. Can't give you. What did they? Listen to me. Now me be papi. You be my own woman. You my person. I got you covered.
You don't do.
You know understand?
You don't know. Not to dance, Abi.
And not to dance now.
No problem. We go dance.
Sure? You don't come on like another today evolve. You know why you waiting there evolve?
But you know, say Papi Chulo no fit joke with something like that.
Babes, you already know say that money in our own now. You suppose know now. Who did this area where fit step like you? Okay, you now you be hot stepper.
Sure.
You forget.
You don't know again.
I don't understand.
Sure. Your face all like this.
Nah.
Your sack small.
That kind of thing.
Like this.
chameleon.
I swear.
What you can concern me whether it change like chameleon, no change. Kenneth,
Okay,
sure.
let's go.
Whether it change it not change all my own be say, you go give me my money. That money dey important.
Very important. Oh.
The money dey important. You, man, I want you. I bet where would they do the dance? You dey back. I no wan hear say, small yansh dey shake, small yansh dey shake, small yansh dey shake. Small yansh no dey win anything. Don't let me. That I dey dance, you dey my back so that I go fit cover you.
Oh.
You dey hear me?
Oh.
You
Don't
tell
vex.
am o.
Now me sit down here with you now. That's why.
You never calling me. Okay. You go join Kebute. No, you worry. Leave her. You go be like, go join Kebute. I stay come up for this group so you don't dance. Me, I know say you go beg me. You go follow my step. Where she dey? Whether you useless pikin. Where she dey? Where she going and make me join? Where she dey? Where she come out? So wait till I do for the men of today. What can I take this? Where she come make me join? Where she dey? Who dey yarn for my door? Now waiting. Now come on, now waiting. You just come here, just open out the fire. You dey mad? Now waiting they do you. Where that your useless pikin? Where she come out? You dey crazy? I been at something they do you. Which useless thing you dey talk? Wait till the man when I get out of here. Are you mad? You dey crazy?
Whatever you call that your pikin, whether I take or waiting. See wetin she do my sister. She beat my sister. See her eyes don rise.
I beg, shut up. No, they talk that nonsense. Tega, beat up your pikin. I be your sister. This one no big pass Tega. See, Tega no dey violent. I know my pikin. Just carry this your useless child come up for my house. I said make you leave now.
Make she come out. Where she dey?
Male, wetin dey happen? I dey hear voice.
I said the voice is here. Oh. Eh? Yeah, woman carrying pikin say you beat am up. See the old woman where say they beat up.
Come out. Where she dey?
See this smart woman here, they talk say you beat this one where big pass. Which kind of nonsense be that? See, now that dangerous one. Now this one where mad. If na him tell me say beat up your pikin, I for say yes. But say na Tega, you no fit happen.
I don't know. Wait till come with that one. No, Google all my prefer and answer for the full worry now. Say no, let me now dey fight. They call you tell you say Tega beat the pikin. You say no, na Rukewe. As you see me like this, so they like fight for front of my.
Rukewe, everybody knows say you be mad dog. If it comes to fighting Rukewe, now you be number one. Make you shut up, I beg.
Sure? Come. As it don't be so, it don't be. They don't beat her, I be say they don't beat her. Can you go ask, go use your daughter press your face. It don't finish. May we rest. Yeah?
No, you say wetin? No, I no hear you. Say wetin? Eh? Make we dey go. No, I no go take am. See, I go call police and I go arrest all of una for here. Una go see am.
Wait, did you say police?
Yes.
You go arrest. Make you arrest us. What you talk? You go give us rights. I be arrest her.
Arrest.
Arrest.
Yes.
Now me want talk.
Police. Yes.
As I see you, I dey see you inside cell. I see as a package you put inside cell. Look away. Go bring that rope where we take tie that goat where we carry go do that sacrifice. Bring a man tie this woman up.
Check me up. You too. Go bring the rope. Go bring rope. Go bring rope. You go come back. You get lost. You go carry police come back. This one shock me, oh.
What shock you?
Man, give me 5.
5. What
I thought I said now you bomb me. Shabi doesn't know you bomb me. Now Shabi, I thought this fight why they fight up and down. So now be my clear eye, oh. Now you give me the fight.
How I can't give you fight? How
you say my bring rope? Mala, you want type person pikin?
It won't finish Tega now. That is why I say make you bring rope.
Your attitude they come up.
Which one be attitude?
You don't say now my papa where don't die now resemble. Now lie.
I beg, leave that matter. You self, where you dey quarrel with that small girl? What be the problem? It be like saying a man be the problem. No, it be like saying a man be the problem. Why you and small girl go dey fight? Because you not get the same size of Bobby? Eh? Now man, you don't dey look at. Tega.
What you mean, Bobby?
You don't know it. Bring your arm. Make it. Why
you resemble now? Why you dey beat her? Why you dey beat her? Not be you resemble. Sure. I been say your papa don't tell me. Your papa tell me say you get the follow.
Tega, tell me the truth. Make you talk the truth now, make I know.
Wait, no. See how you dey talk as small. No, don't see how you dey talk as small. We shall be Tega tell you the truth. Eh? Look at me now, you go dey talk and say, look at myself, you did this. Look at myself, you did this. No, na me do am.
Anyway, the important thing here is say, I know my children. I know wetin you fit do and wetin you no fit do. And you see Tega here. I know wetin Tega fit do and wetin she no fit do. So make you know dey raise that your nonsense voice, abeg.
Okay, Tega, tell her the truth.
The thing we say, no, that girl cause Sam. Now she find trouble. She just dey insult Male anyhow. I mean, I know fit just stand there, they watch that girl, they talk to Male anyhow. You see insult, sister. She insult Male, oh, not be small.
You say wetin? Now you dey talk small. No, you curse our Male. You know you dey talk small. You know give her slap for here like this. May you blind? Sure?
I beat am so.
That one I beat you.
Bruce Lee, you won't take left leg, I been a right leg. I beg you in the name of God where they have. Make you not attack anybody. Make you not hide my nakedness for house. Make you not carry and go outside.
Mama, don't worry. You no go put your nakedness. You are covered. Now you woman, I'll for teach that girl lesson.
Shut up. The girl will carry and you do anything. If not me, God knows that girl leg will break.
Which hand
sure?
You do the leg?
Male! This again. Male, you for leave that girl for me. You for tell me that's where they day here. God knows say they no go come. While yeah, that is they don't come here with that two left leg like that. Sure?
I don't talk my own.
Male, now you will be fight for.
No fight for me. Cover my nakedness. That's what not fight.
Rookie. My baby.
Bros, how far now?
My phone.
I do.
Oh, wow. See how you full grand. Rookie. My brother wanna tell you about now, Brian, my cousin.
Okay. Bros, good afternoon. How far now?
Boy, how far now? Just everywhere.
Bros, everywhere supposed good now.
See, brother, my brother wanna tell you that magician. Now he dey in charge of that competition when I tell you. See, Ruka be that now. Ruka is saying they interested in that your dance competition. Now the baby now a very correct babe.
Wait, bros. Hey, that your cousin, no?
Sure. They talk so they say too.
Wait, be musician.
Now it be that now.
Hey, bros, you see that your music, Leave her for me. Just leave her for me, bros. If not be smart in there, you see that competition, you not go do one. Just leave let me dance.
Sure. Only you are go food the poster.
You know how we do one. Only me your dance when that music like this, Give me the CD. My car go a good market. Let's do for me. Just put my picture for there like this. Go for front. You feel in my back.
Agbaka.
So that if I can't go a good market, they go see my face. They go buy your music.
Sure, I tell you.
You don't tell her.
Now go corner. Everything don't stop with that.
Sure.
No shaking now. Why they expect me? Give me your best. You don't say that street today normally.
Don't worry.
You said that street.
Listen, I tell you like this, assurance cover you. You be my person now. You be my own. You know understand? Listen, I tell you. Now when 2 trees near each other, and I'm monkey the smart. Now you don't near the tree now. Over smart, they worry you now.
Oh, you not know me again. You not know me again. Hey, so you, bros, I want reach front.
Now what for you?
I reach front.
Swallow.
See, so I don't see this musician like this,
Yes. Your footstep don't change, you. Sure, they go run, Sure. Your father head, your papa lap.
Where you say you don't see this one?
My correct person be that now.
She's not a boy, I've been that girl.
Now you sabi that one. All I know is not a person. A very correct one. Where that? Yeah, correct boy.
Boy, I be now. Correct boy.
No. You go hold on now. Now your own. You be area man now.
Enjoy yourself. Boy, correct guy. God. See that girl like boy.
I say now which kind life be this your rook? I say now which kind life be this your rook? If she comes to hustle, she there. If you need to fight you, she there.
What is it? This one where your face they like Gary where they soak for water. Now waiting.
Male, my registration for exam na next week. And if I not pay before that next week, I no go fit write my WAEC exam.
I don't know wetin I go tell you. Because as I dey talk to you now, the level of water for the river don't go down. All the fish don't run comot. I no get anything where I fit sell or where I take pay for your exam.
Male, wetin we go come do now? Wetin I go come do?
No, you go skip the exam now. The only thing we say, we go dey pray, they look up to God. You know, say they answer our prayer all the time. Eh?
And you know they talk that kind thing. When God go answer this our prayer, when we don't dey pray since, why did they always dey hard for us for this life?
I know. Now I go ask God. Now when you pray for night, you ask God yourself. God, they answer pikin so. If you no talk to me, go talk to you, tell you when the money
I know they pray since I dey small now. God never answer our prayer.
You know, you get that thing where you they think for your heart, where they make the prayer no they reach. Just they pray, God go answer your prayer. You hear? No vex, eh? Make you go chop. I keep food for you. Make you go chop.
I tell you, say food not my problem for this life.
Now, what be your problem? Oh. My pikin, better make you chop or make you not die before we begin talk of exam. Now, person when they alive to do exam. Even if it means selling my wrappers, I go do them for you. What man go do now? Now, belly first, life first before exam. You don't fit enter. You go wait another year. You enter. You still there young. I know that man know what to do.
Sure? Tega, what's happened? Why you can't do face like say person there? What's your name like this?
Sister Rookie, I beg. Make I just dey alone. I don't want your stress. I beg, just leave me. Leave me, I beg. I want dey alone.
May I just leave you? Tell me what's happened before I leave you. You are my sister. You know, get to be say I go enter like this now. I'll see my sister say my sister squeeze face. I'll call you enter house. Now they do something like that. Now make that they get senior for family. Sure, I be your senior. Tell me what did they happen.
Sister,
Yeah?
fine. Now my WAEC registration.
What you do your WAEC registration? What you do?
The registration they end next week now. And if I don't register before next week, it means I not be write WAEC.
Nah, lie you. That was not possible. Sure? I go say you no go write the WAEC. You go write am. That exam, that way WAEC you must write am. Sure? God I beg you. Anyhow it be, money go fall out and you go write the exam. The only person who be say no book for this family, they will call it a waste. Mo, me I waste, Male waste, power don't I waste, you go waste. It's not possible. You
sure?
go school.
No, I think say I no go write am. My leg come on the time say she no get money to pay.
You supposed to understand Malena. Sure? You supposed to understand that say you no get money. So na crayfish business they do. You get money for there. You don't know what they sell crayfish. Don't worry yourself, don't worry, yeah? You go write the exam. How far? You don't shop. You never shop. Me I know. Not be you again. That for small, that's what they do. Now they go wash your smart, they'll beat you. I know sure. Go bring food, come on, Sharpie. Sure? Go bring food, come. Come put 2 meat, so I wait for that. And I'm going to eat the meat with that. I want to talk to you.
Look, you be my woman, you be my person. You don't need to take permission from anybody before you talk to me. If you want to talk to me, call me anytime, any day. You my person now, I hear you there.
I beg. I use God to beg you. I'll not be your person. If you say I be your friend, cool. But that your person where you refer to, God they put your hand for you like say I dey your heart. I'll not be your woman, no. I beg. But I want to ask you, the dance where we say you want dance so. Now legit, I will not be legit. Eh?
Would you go make her not be legit? Now look at it. See, they calm down now. You see that girl where they refer to, where they touch me. That girl did there for something now. Begin to touch me. You know they now. Now make her they play her part. No, they worry yourself. As for the dance, now legit. You dey hear me so? Everything now. Everything what they do. You know now. I know they do scam things. That thing legit finish.
So no be scam.
I will be scam when I did there.
You sure say no be scam? You again, papi. You don't forget say you dey run paro for this ghetto. You don't forget say for this worry where we dey so. You, all of them know you say you. The big people things. That go say you know me since when I small. You not talk, huh? So me I know you. I know everything where you dey do. I want know this dance so legit, I be no legit. Make I know because I don't want disappointment. You dey hear me so?
Look at it. Child, you too dear to me. Oh. You really too dear to me. You dey hear me so? Listen, I tell you, the thing legit finish. You dey hear me? With me, everything there pure. Okay? And I tell you, I don't repent to. I don't do all those things again. Everything pure and I they do. I don't do this rubbish again. Now me be papi chilo now. You supposed to know now. You dey hear me? So everything now they clear. I don't do that kind of thing.
That will not concern me.
If they not concern you, get and say the thing pure.
No wahala, I don't hear you. She been at the dance.
Not the dance.
I will carry my girls there. Me and them will come, we go dance. You don't reach, Abi?
I will prepare very well. When I prepare very well. You get why they talk like that? You get why? I hear say Sylvia, that girl, with her girls, they prepare for this dance competition too.
Sylvia. Eh? Wait, oh. That's okay, my friend.
You don't hear her now, Abi?
Wait, okay, I'm tell you dance for this.
You don't see her. You know why you supposed to hold me tight?
No,
you don't see the way you supposed to touch me, they rub me.
Okay, that's not go fit dance, man. Because his leg never straight. That will not concern me. That will not concern me. My own be say, I go win. But I not go win. Eh?
You go win now. You go win. You know, you say you don't dance for primary school, secondary school.
You know that one now.
You go win.
See, no, they pour me cigar now. You know, say me, I know they smoke. Sure? God, I beg you. See, this dance competition say, if I not win now, I go vex for you. I not say normally as I be dance. Now my girls are not sabi dance. They go use my own cover my own. Thank God say you don't know me, so you know me when I did primary school. You know say me I dey dance for church, I dey dance for school. Sure you know, even before I drop out now I tell the dance so you know that one. No.
I know say you don't dance now before you drop out. But wait till I don't know whether you drop out with the dance now be wait till I don't know.
No, they try insult me. You dey try insult me.
When I prepare but Papilo day for you, shall Papilo day for you.
You know,
anyhow it be. Now you be my point one. Now my person now.
And I know they call me a woman. Now toast to toast me, I no agree. You hear me?
If I be you, I for agree now, so that it go better for us.
For you.
You go try agree.
For you. No, for you. I dey like
you get why.
Babes, when I no go believe who won't follow us do this dance competition.
I bet tell us now who.
Talk now. My ear they open like this, so why they talk so?
Hey, Kenneth. As you finish with this, so
tell us.
Akbo. As you finish with this, we talk Sylvia. Eh? Na Sylvia.
That Lagos reject.
Okay, but a friend. That one. Na him.
You dey very sure? Person just come from nowhere, just won't come to competition.
Who sure be I dey? No, you said they see me finish. Not be Papi Cholo that tell me this yesterday. I be one come on a place, but my say make I go know that we know the way you want to do now. Now I'll tell you today.
Sure. That babe safe, eh? He dey her body and he full of nyash.
No, man, tell me now. What make that Sylvia now? And Okemute just hate me for this life. No, anything where I want to do, now they want to do. Now Okemute now don't they leggy cap? Not be leggy cap.
They tell you.
Enough to do anything again. Nah, Sylvia.
How you waka?
No, I go break his leg. Yeah, me and Okemute go dead the same place.
Babe, see, this one weak me. You weak my spirit. How Sylvia and her useless friends go just they follow us up and down. Anything we want just they do, now they do. Why did they copy now? They don't fit do their own. True.
Small level like this, they no get. Talk less of level. Say people they get level, they no get. Now that one they pay me for inside.
Who that shall level? No, who that shall say go Lagos now be level. As you travel go the Lagos, so you change phone number. Not be the same plus 2, 3, 4. God I beg you. It's about change that to plus 3, 3, 3. More doesn't international. God I beg you. I beg see. For more go learn now.
Now you go win now.
That's what you talk.
Abi?
Now you go win now.
When we go have to rehearse because yes, we don't rehearse now. If you be said that go carry Lagos, Lagos pattern come.
They forget who you be. You dey forget your level for this place. Where would they?
Maybe you go after that your NPC theirs.
You did now.
You did your answer.
You did. Give them.
Psalm 20 verse 1. May the Lord answer you in the day of trouble. May the name of the God of Jacob defend you. May he grant you according to your heart desire and fulfill all your purpose in the name of Jesus Christ. You must praise God with all your heart.
Wobi, magic def fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Magic def fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ wo. Adé ń ṣe nìyẹn. Tẹ́ bá rí ẹ bá rí nìyẹn. Wobi, inside life. Ìwọ náà mọ̀, magic tá ń ṣe o. Magic tá ń ṣe. Magic. Wobi, magic. Inside life. A máa ṣe magic ní ìsìn. Wobi. Tí n bá gba ẹ̀kọ́ fún yín wo ẹ máa gba ẹ̀kọ́ tẹ́ bá rí ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ máa mọ̀ pé ẹ̀kọ́ ń wà nílẹ̀ wo bí magic oríṣiríṣi ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ inside life make you no let your family discard you adé ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn o wo when I give you one number wo bí ẹ máa fún mi ní ìkọ́ tó wà ń bí you go tell me wetin dey inside the card then you go believe say na magic.
Magic, where they play? Oh, the fuck up now.
Ọmọ ìyá mi. Branko, Wobi, máa ń perform magic nísì. Inside life. Inside life. Àìwọ̀ náà mọ̀.
Ọmọ ìyá mi.
Iṣẹ́ wa náà. Ẹgbà gbé yẹn. Ọ̀yá náà. O lè fẹ́ ṣe magic. Wo tí n bá pe nọ́mbà ẹ̀. Ẹ̀gbọ́n bravo. Ìwọ náà mọ̀ inside life náà ni o. Adé ń ṣe nǹkan. If you lose guard, your family go lose guard you. Ẹ máa fuck up. Wobi. Ẹ máa gba. Ayé ni ẹ̀. Inside life. Hola. Inside life. Make I perform magic. Ṣé ìdè àìdá náà ni? Ìdè àìdá. Ẹ mọ̀ mí ni. Magic tí mo ń ṣe, nǹkan tí mo ń mu jẹun náà ni. Ọ̀yá náà show me. Which number be that? No be block 3.
Tó bá fọ́, o ti fuck up.
Wobi ẹ máa fuck up, tẹ́ bá fuck up.
Tó bá fọ́, o ti
Ṣé bí block 3 náà ni? Block 3 náà ni. Magic. Inside life náà ni. Wobi ẹ̀gbọ́n adé fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan náà ni. Wobi this one na the last number. Magic. Inside life. Oríṣiríṣi ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Your family go lose guard. Oya checkmate. Cross 7. Cross 5. Cross 5 náà ni. Cross 5.
Cross 5.
Cross 5 náà ni.
Animal wey no wan waste.
Their father.
Animal wey no sabi.
Their father.
Animal wey no wan waste.
Their father.
Animal wey no sabi.
Their father.
Sure. No be Sylvia be this. No be Sylvia be this. Nash, the Lagos reject. Sylvia, I hear say you wan follow go do the dance competition. No, wetin you wan go do there? You sabi dance? No, if they clear road for you now, you sabi dance? Turn abeg, I don't wan see for now.
Sure. They talk
Well,
as
the thing I won't go do for them not concern you. The person will tell you, he tell you well, you hear well. And they go do yes, and for the dance concert concern you.
So now why you don't go the kind of your body like this, go they rub the guy chest, abi?
Not to reason. No. We don't leave her. We go so reason your matter just now.
God I beg oh. God I beg oh. Sure. No. You don't see her come out.
No, she never
You
see him.
don't see her come out.
She never see him.
Okay, put her leg down like this.
You don't see him.
Now me do am oh. Respect yourself for Sylvia. Not let me run enter you oh.
You don't know.
God I beg oh. Make you not try me oh. You hear me so? Any man wey no wan waste
Their father.
Any man wey no sabi.
Their father. Una dey shout. No, una dey scream for my ear. Una for just enter market, no say na don craze.
Who dey breathe?
You, look at me.
Sure.
I want to let you understand something. The world doesn't revolve around you. Hey. Do you understand me? And you see me, Sylvia, I could continue to do anything where I like. If you don't like lick bush.
No. Look at your wet now. You cannot say you quick come out. You know say me I know the see for. If not if I quick see that bottle, I go break up for your head. Go the beg go. Any man wey no wan waste.
Their father.
Any man wey no sabi.
Their father.
Mama, this will enter my brain.
Go enter. Don't let it block your brain.
You know if you block my brain.
Oh, you know your mother knows how to.
Mama, this will enter my brain.
Is that why you hit me? You just hit me like that. You dey craze?
I hit you.
No, you not hit me.
I don't know.
Now bite me. Yeah.
Sure.
No, wait.
No, somebody it don't reach like this. They let them wait for person. God I beg go. They let them wait for person for the shop.
Sure.
Where you walk out go?
No mind now. Queen. Now there him be. This food where we manage chop, where we dey chop. You go they walk up and down. Wait till you think say go happen. We go there here they wait for you. My pikin they chop food.
Okay. Now smart food be there. Not be tourist stash there. No, Male, not be tourist stash. What to make you not come on one stash? Come on, smart made it with fish. Wait for me. But when I shop the food finish. Sure.
You go know what thing go happen. Our belly ain't gonna go full again.
That's what I thought so not concern me. When I not send me my eye, now they tell you see I'm here. God I beg you. Don't worry. Don't worry yourself. Very soon. Male, very soon you go shop chicken. You go shop turkey. You know that mama carrot tolo. You go shop her. Look.
Wait. Abi you won't go win lottery. Abi na still you won't go steal the turkey.
Male, all this way they do so. You dey look down on me. No, you dey look down on me. What do you mean I nothing make?
No be say I dey look down on you. No be say I don't see you finish. No be am. Because now the next thing where you don't talk now.
Sister, mom be say I don't want any turkey or be chicken. Which I want now my money for example. All this way you don't talk all this since when I dey small you go bring money. Money never come.
Now so I go talk and reach next tomorrow. The thing be say when the money go come. Let me say I go bring money. You go try shake it. This your mouth try shake itself.
Male, see this is what I want to so this is why they talk why they say I won't go meet her. Male, don't pray for me. What you want? You go click.
Which kind prayer person feel pray?
I pray for picking me click now. Sure.
The only prayer where you go there your head be say make they no kill you for main road. Make you reach near your mama house before you die.
So you know you said no don't believe. No,
I don't believe.
No worry, she na exam. I go pay. I go pay.
No be to pay. Now when you go pay?
Male, don't worry about when. I go pay. Money will come.
As you dey swallow this thing where you just join us, take am easy.
That's more small now. You won't finish am.
God I beg you. You know I don't say this one I in my pen. That's where I dey like. Male, but this like when we come for this food now if they do to me that go go me say me and you to be friend.
Sisters.
No man not eat again.
No.
No man not eat again for my house again.
Oh, you don't say when person they eat, make you shut up, they eat the food before you go enter the wrong place. And I'm waiting.
Mama, you not be Oyibo.
You don't speak food. Say.
Male, sure food. Sure, you too talky. God I beg you.
That's more small.
Correct. When I don't try now, when I don't run now. That's what we do and forget to hear now. Every year so. Now who get competition go know what he wants. He go decide what he wants. He go give the result. But any I be you go room or job. But this get to here when I know how we run now. That be so. But when I put my head together, when I clap. Yes, now when I clap. We run the things here now. Me papi a day. Over to you, boy.
All of them don't perform, eh? The performance go well. When I try well. You understand? But the group where win the competition, na Sylvia group.
Of that musical video, you go take my back. Wait, take up, papi. Show. Looky. When you leave me, I'm not the phone on. Wait, I beg you. What do you call the freedom? Follow the side.
I say now which kind life be this your I say now which kind life be this your
Every day na trouble, every day na wahala. Who can we go kill the person you with a matter now?
If she comes to hustle,
she there.
If you need to fight you,
she there.
Anything she hear,
she must stop.
If she see,
she must stop.
If she smell,
she must stop.
If she touch,
she must stop.
Good or bad,
she there. Look how we go talk.
Good or bad,
she there. Look how we go talk. Every day na trouble, every day na wahala. Who can we go kill the person you with a matter?
Sister, how far now?
God I beg you. No, I no go drink water drop cup. You go see me for morning, Alpha.
Afternoon, Alpha. Evening, Alpha. I want go toilet, Alpha. Wait. Me, I know this your Alpha. Just go straight to the point. I don't know the money where I promise you. Now you make you dey tell me Alpha. I go give you. Don't be our head money they do Alpha for. I'll give you the money now. You just read.
Sister, when you go give me the money now? See, I got to pay this money before next week. Else, I go write to work next year.
No, Alpha bid though. You go write the exam this year. We shall wait till they carry and go next year for. Now this year you go write down. I know they go back on my word. Now so front I they go. You go write down. Sure? How much be the money? Don't be that I never do arrange and finish. Now make I never give you. I'll give you.
Since I no get choice, I go relax.
So? Alpha, on God do. Male don't come.
No, she never come back.
Come. Take her. What will they carry you do for this house? Apart from saying they read book. You think that a book go keep you for husbands? You go school, you go see learn how to cook. If you not learn how to they'll carry you come back. They'll pursue you come for husbands. Sure? Go that beg.
Brian.
I hear you.
relationship do you have with Ukewe?
Relay what?
Relationship.
Nothing like relationship, bro. Which one come be relationship? Man, I don't get anything. I don't even know who she be. That through my cousin now, I don't say I 1 or 2 times. I go say relationship.
So why is she going about telling people you're her boyfriend?
Babe, I know as you see me now. I don't know who that girl be. But I don't know who she be. That through my cousin now, I don't say her 1 or 2 times. She not be even my spec. That girl not be my class. That girl a big boy. Now boy now. Me and I don't get anything though.
You better let her know. Because she's going around feeling like she owns you.
That's crazy. Now Kolo be that too. You should say that girl never mad.
You know, concern me. Call it whatever you want. Better tell her.
Okay. Well, babe, you say if you suppose know. You say if no. I don't say you know. You don't say no only you. Only you are the scene now. How will get classy babe like you? I will come they look what? I don't even know what you call herself. Babe, only you. I dey tell you, only you are the scene. You don't enter my eye.
Please stop flattering me.
I know they flatter you. That ain't be the problem. I dey tell you truth. As you dey like this now, now you are the see finish. I know they see any other. But you know what? On a more serious note, you see that Rukenwe or whatever her name is, I go match her one-on-one. I go ask her which day that one starts.
Better. You better tell her. One name.
Don't worry now. Babe, I will settle her, okay? I will settle her, but you know say you're supposed to give me this thing.
You stop, John.
You're supposed to give me this thing.
Oh!
Give me this thing now, babe.
I know this thing.
You know they do this thing. Which one I'm saying, you know they do this thing.
Oh! I am...
I say now which kind life be this your Rukewe? I say now which kind life be this your Rukewe?
I want to ask you something, and I want to make you tell me the truth.
Okay, ask me, I dey hear you.
Why can't they tell people say me and you the friend? How me and you, see, as you dey like this, I dey like this, me and you match.
You hear that from my mouth? No, you hear that from my mouth? Sure? Who should call the why you bring all this on the corner? Because say you don't manage fine now, just say okay, make I don't manage you too. You call the one to show yourself. But you hear that from my mouth? God I beg you, hear me blink. You think say you feel by you? No, this is cost. No, normally this is cost. What will be the difference between this and this one? No, how much should they sell this? How much they sell this one? Sure?
Oh, listen. Whether I hear that for your mouth or I don't hear that for your mouth, what I want to tell you now, say I don't even want to hear, and I don't even want make anybody tell me say you can wear or rule. I don't even know what's in your name. Tell me say me and you they do 1 or 2 because as you dey like this, no match. And why you can't involve Sylvia into the matter now?
Well, okay. Okay. Now, Sylvia matter you got. Oh, Jesus Christ, I talk him. My mind they tell me. So now Sylvia, when you come the wreck for me. Now Sylvia, when you the wreck for me. Bros, Bros, I don't like this way they do. Because say I like you, not me say you gonna mash me. Because say I like you, not me say you gonna mash me. Not call you come want me again.
Say me and woman no get matter. I go who share there. Let's say the man. Come, you better go find your man. Me and you no be level. Don't tell you because next time.
See this one where you want manage. Hey, wahala do. Sure? No, me and you not be the same swag. Not be the same swag. Because I don't wear this thing for neck. What I wear so? How much should they sell her? They put for me. WARRI top now, gaga. If they pay you, gaga.
God, anytime I call you, the answer, you're too much. You know, it's okay, it's okay, See, why say I be spirit. Abi you no see me? You don't blind?
Madam, me no vex. I just dey in a very bad mood. Now make her no vex. Mingo.
What be your problem? From morning you go waka. Your leg no dey rest. You go waka till night. You no dey do anything for this house. You know they cook, you know they wash, you know they even do anything. Waiting you they gain from this your waka.
Sure. No, Male, wetin I do now? No, say wetin I do now, tell me. Say I come out, na problem just say I come my house, my come rest, na be problem. Sure? I don't feel you call your man rest.
Chris, if my hand disappear from your face, that madness go leave you. Waiting they do yourself. You never do anything for your papa house. Na so waka. Waiting you they gain from the waka.
Sure, waiting I dey gain for them. No, if I could leave me for Bele now. If I leave me for Bele, maybe say now you own it, now you get the life. My dead, the only tell me I go do. I don't feel live my life. No, if you come people come and say, okay, wait till make her look at my lady shot. Go tell I say that because of Brooklyn. They go tell you say me you live my life alone. Tell your own I dey my own. Sure? Take another day. Take her!
Shut up! Wait till me take her.
You go walk.
Small pikin go dey call him up and down. You wey be adult, you no fit do anything. Tega go walk, you go kill Tega. Anyway, I don't even blame yourself. Now your papa who I blame. Now your papa.
Mala, say what you?
I say I blame your papa.
You blame my palace?
Yes.
You see her? No, when I say her, now this thing they talk say, in Yanga they sleep, trouble they wake up. Pale, we don't die, only they rest in peace, they sleep. You they wake up. No, you they wake up.
Now my husband. I fit wake up, I fit let him sleep. Wait till they talk. If say no package you put for my belly, I go burn you. I go know you.
Sure. Mala, you not happy say you burn me?
I go happy. Who go burn you there? See,
full package.
See, but which one be full package? You come out nyash for outside, you call them full package.
Oh, give me the nyash, now you give me.
Give you waiting with God forbid. Who give you nyash? Did I give you nyash to expose them for outside?
Mala, you're not gonna fit deny me. Sure? Anyway, me and you waka, they go say we resemble. Go.
God forbid. See you. You are who resemble.
Now me and you.
God forbid.
Who can burn me? Because me I don't resemble pale yellow. Let's see I take away the yellow, the one. Now me and you black beauty.
You know say your papa they use bleach. You know say that yellow not be original yellow.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't tell you now.
Sure.
Now you resemble or not be me.
Not be me.
Now you.
Mala, I beg, I'm not there for this side. You're hungry.
You the waiting. You the waiting.
Mala, name me now, sure.
Idiot. You know say she carry bottom they walk up and down. Which kind of wahala be this? God, which kind of wahala be this? You can't give me this kind of pikin, say my pikin. I for kill this girl when you enter my bed. I for kill him. Yeah.
I say now which kind life be this your rukewo? I say now which kind life be this your rukewo?
Every day na trouble, every day na wahala. Rukewo go kill the person you with a mato na wa.
If she comes to hustle,
She dey.
if you need to fight you,
She dey.
anything she hear,
She must talk.
if she see,
She must talk.
if she smell,
She must talk.
if she touch,
She must talk.
good or bad, oh,
She dey. Rukewo go talk.
good or bad, oh,
She dey. Rukewo go talk. Every day na trouble, every day na wahala. Rukewo go kill the person you with a mato na wa.
Mama Rukewe. I say make you back comot now.
pack come on so that other people will come enter. Make paper for rest from my side now.
Oga landlord, I take God beg you. Just allow us to. I go pay you very soon. I go pay you everything what I owe you. I promise you. Now just time. Now small time I need.
Mama, okay, we know today. See, they tell me this. Don't say where you dey talk am. I beg. Make you pack come out now. I beg you.
Oga landlord, you say they calm down now. My mother don't say she go pay your money. Try to calm down.
I beg, forget that one. I be think say now this I beg now I take chop and maintain my compound and maintain my children. I beg una must pack come out today.
Oga landlord, waiting I dey beg you be say. Allow us to stay for a while. Just a little while. Now, is it too much to ask for? I go pay you.
Dorio, I know one here. I beg keep on to yourself.
What's it happen for you, Oga landlord? No, mama, you push like that. No, mama, I push you. No, mama, I push like that.
I push her now.
You say what?
I say make you keep on to yourself now.
Shoo. Oga landlord, now why you not get wife? You get the bullshit, feel like people because of what? Domestic violence. You don't do. Sure?
If una no pack come out, na. Now police I go come, we go pack all of una. Go station, una go there, go smell road.
You push my mama finish. I not do anything, they want to call police on me. Hold on first. I go tell you when to go back, you call police on me now. Okay, you push my mama. Sure?
My way so.
That's what thing I do now. Sure.
Okay, well. The problem for this company don't too much. You know, say very soon landlord could come out from hospital. And he say when they come out, he go bring police to arrest you. You think they bother me? So I can't call my sister, I beg her. Say make you go city, go join in daughter and tomorrow. At least make you deal with them. Then you go day safe. Eh? And take God beg you.
Sure? Male. No, Male, what's it be that one now? No, you dey try pursue me.
No, beside.
No, you dey pursue me come out for us now.
No, they talk like that, Ruke. I'll go pursue you. Now my pikin you be.
Sister, no be wetin mama dey try.
Shut up. No, what did they bring that one they corner? Now see finish with that oh. Two adults they talk like this small pikin they pull mouth. Okay, because I say you get sense now. Now let you get sense for the family now. You want to carry your body. Don't try to shut up oh. Sure? Mala, I ain't go anywhere.
Okay. Landlord go soon come out. If they come for you, you better make we escape now before he go come catch you, put you for sale.
No wahala. She be na city. No wahala. I'll go. I'll go.
So like this time you go come tell city girl.
Where they bring this on the call? They tell you that one they make me they go the city. No, they tell you that one they make me they go the city. And they rock come up for us. Not beside they go and share met. Sure? No wahala now. I go greet area now.
You know reach to go greet area, beg. Make you go pack your things, we can go city now.
Sure? So Mala, I love you go greet area again. Say I don't they go.
I beg make you leave area. You know owe them, they know owe you. Go pack your things, make you begin go city.
No wahala. I want go. I think I arrange my baby. I don't carry clothes. Go
no, carry your clothes, but not carry my own. I beg.
Your clothes go enter me. I mean, I
carry my own.
I want the time.
Every day na trouble.
I say now which kind life be this you ruke I say now which kind life be this you ruke
All the way from Warri, you come to city.
You want to make 'em, you want to blow. Who could take a jeje? Who can like na jeje? I say now which kind life be this you ruke I say now which kind life be this you ruke
All the way from Warri, you come to city.
You want to make 'em, you want to blow. Who could take a jeje? Who can like na jeje?
Every day na trouble, every day na wahala. Who can we go kill the person you with a mato na wa?
If she comes to hustle,
She there,
if you need to fight you,
she there.
anything she hear,
She must talk,
if she see,
she must talk,
if she smell,
she must talk,
if she touch,
she must talk.
good or bad, oh,
She there, Ruka go talk.
good or bad, oh.
She there, Ruka go talk. Every day na trouble, every day na wahala. Who can we go kill the person you with a mato na wa? Every day na trouble, every day na wahala. Who can we go kill the person you with a mato na wa?
I say now which kind life be this you rook I say now which kind life be this you rook
All the way from WARRI, you come to city.
You want to make 'em, you want to blow. Who could take a jeje? Who can like na jeje?
Every day na trouble, every day na wahala. Who can we go kill the person you with a mato na wa?
If she comes to hustle,
She there,
anything she hear,
I dey find my sister. Take one out. Hey, my head. My sister, I dey find my sister, my cousin. I hear they tell me say they stay. Number 17.
Wrong address. I better come with you.
Who should be wrong address? You I know the street road. Don't be number 17 be this. They will tell me say I go enter, I go see one child will be like winch. Not be there yet so. Not be with this. I beg come on, my sister. Oh my! Why they worry this one? Sure? Why they worry this one now?
You just come person, come by, they go inside.
I say you said they found my sister take wallo. I find you. No, I find you. Why they bring that what they call now?
Madam, no they shout now, no they fight. Nobody they bear take wallo for
That
here.
lie. Man, let tell me say now yeah take wallo they stay.
I say nobody they.
No, they shout on me.
No, they come for here.
Come on, let tell me
See.
say.
Madam, thank God say you just come. Thank God, because the way we just been for mine now, so I go just jack him. If I jack him, I go fling him outside. You can't trespass be this one now. You just want to come from where you come up. I open gate. You can't say they find cousin, they find Tegwalo. Madam, I don't know nobody be Tegwalo for here.
Na lie. Na lie. My lesson na here take wallo they stay. When they worry this one, auntie, I dey find my sister take wallo. Sure?
Okay. Don't be crazy person be this.
Not be me o. Not be me, I don't be my sister, I don't be sick and I take wallo. I don't be me on the expect, na take wallo I dey find. Yeah.
Come.
You don't know me o.
Yeah, not be village where you run they call the crazy anyhow. See,
don't get ready for me.
ma I tell you, don't come do anyhow.
You don't know me.
If you do anyhow for here, you say anyhow. Where they go carry this crazy person come from? Set up. Oh, my.
Shoo! God, I beg, oh, what be this? Now ask me this. Who are they see so? What time you take bleach like this? God, I beg, oh. Not be this speaker who don't play music for worry. You can't enter only once.
Point of correction, I'm not Tegola. My name is Tigo.
I beg, come over here. Who shall come to teach you? What? You don't know when it's small. If you see Tegola, you come back.
Okay, well, please sit down.
Sit down for waiting. Waiting I want to sit down for. No baby there yet, so leave me.
No problem. So how is your mom? How is your sister? How is everybody?
Who you dey speak English for? Na me dey speak English for Tegola. Sure. Male and the Tega dey fine. Okay,
Okay, when I sit to you there, oh. This is not worry. Now sit to you
what
there.
you gonna concern me?
So you need to blend up. Swag up. So you go to follow up.
Tegola. Tegola, where you get this ass?
Okay, we don't do. Sit down.
Tegola, you get this ass?
I'll sit to this.
Wait. Sure.
Look at where.
Sure. We not get on this one for worry, oh. Sure. Who be on this one?
They're my friends. Look at where. Please sit down.
What are you not your friends?
This is Jessica and this is Tracy.
Come on, there. Be like you not get respect again. No, you not get respect again. Na person mama, now they call your friend. Auntie no vex, me ngoma. Sure.
She's my friend. We are all age group. Yes, we are all same age group.
Sure. You say what? This is the way you big like this. Now you tell like your friend. Sure. Sister, you go wash your teeth in the shop. Oh. They know they can big like that to see your lap.
Yeah. Don't mind her. She's like that.
Oh, yeah,
so you don't want to see it? Let me show you around. Then take you to your room.
Where they sit down for? I beg you. I want sleep. I'm gonna give me back to my shop first. Bah, I sleep.
Okay, let me show you around. Guess who's my cousin? This is my cousin.
Take one, you don't get him. You get him. You don't get yash before.
I don't first get him.
You not get yash. Sure. Let me hear you. Let me hear the yash part of one. Don't forget yourself. You wear yash. No, you get yash. Have you seen the yash part? Sure.
I said, now which kind of life be this?
Sure.
All the way from WARRI, you come to city. You want to make them. You want to.
So you don't go full of state house.
Who could take a
Wait, I been mona no vex. Now this food one they chop like this. Now I go chop for money food. Look away. Now breakfast now. By the time you want for money before. I better eat now breakfast. Come for big party. Me look away. I'm gonna look away. I don't shop this kind of thing for money. Joe, and I don't get baga super stash. Okay. Most of I don't get stash. Oh, I don't get gari. Also, I don't get fufu. Maybe person shop. Maybe person belle day way.
We don't eat that kind of food in this house. For breakfast, we don't.
Okay. Come see. Look at where Abi waiting that they call you. Haven't you heard the saying that says do in Rome as Romans do? Huh?
Sure. When I see me see problem. What you call concern Rome and Romanus for inside food where we dey shop now? What you concern? My own be say I don't go fit shop this thing when I dey shop. I don't fit shop am.
Look at where try to calm down. Everywhere you must quarrel. Now breakfast be this. You don't need heavy food in the morning. Later for night or evening, you reach up your banga soup.
You lie. They go punch me. God don't go even gree. I don't fit chop this one at the chop. Why?
Who shall be why? No, who shall be why? You don't know why I don't be shopper. I don't be shopper. Sure? Normal breakfast. This one not be normal breakfast. Now abnormal. Now abnormal. What that beg you? Sure?
That shop the one you see. Not you know what shop this one. Go find that to shop. Exactly.
You were there like this now. You as you there like this when you big finish now. Now this thing where they put for here so now you shop where you fat like this. No, who insult you? You take the turn at you and I realize that insult. So now you got respect again. Now this one in the shop so now you fat like you.
Okay, where?
Wahala. Respect
calm
for you.
down. Just calm down. Take it easy. Manage what we have now.
5 people are super. I don't shop this one at the shop, so I don't know what to this one at the shop. I know shop.
Yeah, shop.
I know shop. Sure. You don't know who they do. Who shop they bring you bring baga soup, you bring star when you wash and shop. Who shop be all this one that they do?
Yeah, go just you see what you shop.
Yeah, I know you play money and shop. Me I dey go find food I go shop.
When you carry this girl come?
As in Nataya.
Which kind of wahala be this?
You don't give her orientation before she come.
No, no vex. No, don't see am. No vex.
Every day na trouble. Every day na wahala.
So, I too small for your eye. Eh? When you say you don't see me, even to say, well done, no.
Well done, say wetin happen. See abeg, just open gate for me. I wan go buy something. I dey hungry.
Where you dey go?
You deaf? I say I wan go buy something. I dey hungry. You no hear me?
Oh my. You wan go buy something? Eh? You say you wan go buy something?
Open gate for me now. Sure?
No be you wey just come from village the other day. Eh? I be no be you wey dey just carry come from village the other day. They go buy something.
Thunder fire you there. You dey craze. You no run to worry. You do not reach as they born you for this. You don't go worry before. You don't go worry before you dey come worry say na village. Don't ever try and make us say worry na village. Worry na city too. Na city. All of us there. You don't see boys. They do what's up. They do what's up. You don't see them before. Eh? Don't try me. I better get some me. I won't come out.
You don't sing finish, Abi?
Now you dey sing.
Eh. Oh yeah, go open the gate now. I said go open the gate now.
Don't try me. I beg you. I dey take God where they start. They beg you. Open gate for me. Man, they come. But I won't go buy something.
Oh yeah, go open the gate now. If you don't sing finish. You even tie bandana.
Now my swag.
Eh? You sag, the poof, you know who I be? Crazy girl, worry girl. No, go open the gate.
What thing they even worry?
See, man, I tell you, I know just one here say you waka, can come go mistakenly lost.
Now you
boss. They can't sack me. My friend, go inside.
Open gate for me now. Which kind of wahala be this or this kind of money now? They don't give me food. This one also give me problem. Open gate for me. I go buy food shop now. See, I dey in a very bad mood. Don't let me run enter you. Open gate for me. Which kind of problem be this one?
If I no open the gate, nothing will happen.
Which kind of problem be this one? They really talk and say plenty days for the thief and 1 day for the owner. Plenty days for the thief, 1 day for the owner.
Who can be the thief?
Now you be the thief, and I may be the owner. Open this gate,
with this your bandana where you tie for head. With this your bandana where you tie for head.
God, which kind of problem?
My friend, go inside it.
You touch me. Hi God! They let they touch me for worry. They never tell you. They let they touch me for. No, wait for me.
What you gonna do?
Every day na trouble. Every day na wahala. Who can we go kill the person?
I don't do security for 35 days. Just go. Let me here.
Big boots. I better make God tell that to you. Get my make her open gate for me. I won't come out.
Come this girl. Who you dey call Biggie? What did they do you? Who you dey call Biggie? I resemble Biggie for your eye. I be I dey pay you.
Sure. It be like say na you I dey pay. Oh, okay, tell me what you resemble. This slap wey you get for here, na one person suppose get this slap. You know they see your size. Sure. See who I dey call Biggie.
Worry for head. You want me to sit down press you, Abi? You want me to sit down press? See, not try this nonsense with me. Oh. What's your problem now? My name is Tracy. Not trying to call me Biggie again. I don't like him.
Sure. Biggie. Wait till I pull up my para. I mean, I'll for me. I want come out now. Sure.
Where you go?
I want go find Bangara shop. When I give me food. That's when I give me enough food. I want find Bangara. If I cook bari me, I die.
And you feel say you go see all those things buy for here? No, now you feel say you go see and buy for here?
It concern you. It concern you. Open for me, man. They come out. Sure.
Okay, no wahala. You're not trying to call me Biggie again, no. I don't tell you.
If she comes to hustle, she there. If you need to fight, she there. Anything
Madam, no be say I dey rub shoulder with am, no be say I dey form balls. You understand? But madam, I dey reason make you no be say she just waka go outside now, come go lost. You know say na village girl she be.
You dey craze, na you go lost. Na you go lost.
Madam, you see am.
Silas, open the gate for her.
Silas, I beg, I not just get body for you to play it up. Open gate for her, make she come out now.
Madam, see, now my mind I want tell you so, madam. Madam, make this girl no just come go waka, come go lost, or come go mistakenly find trouble. They come pan a bit and red and black.
That your mind, the corrupt. That your mind, you cannot be better mind, the color. I go say person go lost. Person picking, the person picking say go lost. Open it there for me.
Madam, I go do as she said. But I don't tell you. Make she no go lost now. They come say, Silas, go there, go find him. Come go this place, go find. And madam, I don't tell you my mind though.
Silas, open the gate. Because they give you uniform, will be like a lockdown on now. But your mind now you be police. Now police will not get brain. Now they call a lockdown. You come out black like them. I don't know this. Give me like 2 inch. Give me 2 inch, man. Take go now. I can buy something.
Chai, I hope say I never lost so. I don't dey waka so they my legs sef don dey pain me. Bangara itself I no even see. Pig I no see. Kpokpo garri I no see. Which kind thing come be this one now? All the whole area for this place all resemble each other. So, God I beg you. How I want to come manage they go back house now? Hey, which kind falling hand be this one, Rukewe? Which kind falling hand be this? A whole worry girl like me, I'll come lost. True? Or for be batting. Now wow, I no fit dull. No, I no fit dull. I no fit dull. Any which way na way, I must find my way go back to the house. True? God I beg you.
She must stop. If she see, she must stop. If she smell, she must stop. If she touch, she must stop. Good or bad, oh, she there. Look at go talk. Good or bad, oh, she there. Look at go talk.
I'm waiting happen. Una no dey use una eye dey see fine girl, Una no dey use una eye see fine girl. Wetin happen? But waiting. Okay, you wan ask me for address, you don lost. No be wetin you wan talk. No, na the scope wey una dey use dey waka up and down. You no fit say okay, you know say oh yeah, my toast this girl straight up. You wan ask me address. Na wetin you dey find? I know say your guys dey one corner. The perch dey wait say this guy go collect this girl number. My brother, you lose. You hear me? You lose. I be sharp worry girl. You know what you do that kind of thing with me. My eye tear. You dey hear me?
the truth be told, I wanted to ask for direction because I lost my way. But I think you're crazier than I thought.
God go punish you. God go punish you. God not punish you.
You just tell your mama, your papa, now in the crash. Idiot! If they even dey alive or say they don't die, they go crash for grave when they dey. Idiot!
I say now which kind life be this you rook away? I say now which kind life be this you rook away?
Hello?
All the way from Warri, you come to city.
You want to make am, you want to blow. Who could take a jeje? Who can like na jeje?
Oh, who did that case? That's when they knock that gate like that. Eh? You don't bring the compound down. And you don't sabi no? Ah! You don't follow the compound. So I did they wait for you. You hear me? I did they wait for you. Which of you? What's
What's with that your name again, sir?
My name is Rukewe.
Ruki.
My name no be Runki. My name na Rukewe. Ogene Rukewe. That be my name.
Okay. Have fun now. Person no fit follow you play again. After you just dey ginger, your blood dey hot.
Which kind mumu play be that one? Which kind mumu play be that one? So na say they sort na senior. You go look me finish, they follow me, they play that kind play. You don't know your mates where you go, they follow play that kind play. Eh? I'm your senior, I senior you. I senior you. I have your mates.
I go accept just because of one thing, no.
I even know.
Have fun now. May they find me something. You understand? You guys are hungry.
Okay, now because of this my bread, now make you the hungry. Let's go happen. You said go outside. Eh? Go buy your own bread, then you lost. Then you come back.
Oh my. I don't come. Eh? So you lost. Who can retrieve you? Come back. How manage? How you take come?
I don't need anybody to retrieve me. As a sharp worry game, my eye open, my eye look everywhere. I dey observe, I find my way come back. You hear me? You hear me?
Only God don't. Now you know the kind of trouble you don't go find outside.
Like you don't get respect.
Who they even beg you for bread?
Even a bakery bread though, it's fresh oh.
I be like hungry person.
You just say no one chop this bread.
If you like, put them for my mouth. I no go stitch up.
I want to go.
I just play and follow you the play. Don't they take us serious? I know they're hungry.
I say now which kind life be this you rook away? I say now which kind life be this you rook away?
So you don't finally come back. You say you don't lost, so.
No, how you look me? You look me like person who go on training now. You look me like when your mama not teach how to know road. No, that's how you look me. That's how you look me. Now I go start. Come out. I know no road again to go ask. I beg you.
So how far? You see the bangara is by?
From there. I see bangara now. They bring a granite. I see bangara they bring a granite. I waka so till my legs say come to beg me say I look at I don't do rest. So see I find bangara, I no see. People gari I no see. Magic I no see. Even pig I no see. So I beg you. Look how they look this bread. I know they give you this bread though. Because you had me before if you find this bread chop oh.
I don't understand. Are they shop things like that? How you saw those kind of things?
Ah, this one now. Hold on. Wait. Go.
You get bad character.
How you doing now? You get bad character.
You get very bad character.
You get bad character. I don't be your drink just so my friend is drink.
Who be your friend? No? Who be your friend?
I still be friend.
For where?
Biggie!
I don't say you know they call me that name.
Biggie!
Hey, your man run inside. You be like people like now.
Biggie! Come on, go sleep small, yeah?
Go sleep. same person will do for you, that's all. Nah, Papa will you get.
Sick here now. Sick here. It's too hot. Normally you cause. Normally you cause. They go lucky me. Come here. Come here. Okay, so go and come back. Amen.
Everybody run away. You know whether my sister there before for night?
Which kind of question come be that one now? Oh, I don't forget say you come new. They come out every night now. They go party.
Sure. So you been saying they go groove, they know they carry me go this groove. Take all of you wicked.
Huh? Don't be that one. Don't be that one. See, every night, so once you don't reach 9 p.m., they go hustle. They go hustle. Night hustle.
Night hustle. Which one be night hustle again? Well, you just tell me what you want to tell me now. Why you just scatter my brain for me? Sure.
So for your mind now, you say you wise. No, for your mind, you say you wise now. How? Oh God. See, I tell you, not before this my mouth. Go here say Queen Elizabeth mess for palace.
Which kind person you go be safe? As I take on now, this kind of money now, say okay, this boy and my friend, make I see try check my clothes, make I find the color of the clothes where they wear. Maybe I you be, not as the color be now, match to match. Or tell me now, tell me that's why they ask you.
You too get sense.
Where they go?
You too wise. Oh my man. You get sense. So now for your mind now, it just be like say your sense now, you will come from village. Your sense now go come sharp. Come pass me where they sit.
Like say you don't overpass your boundary. Press don't do your head.
Bye bye. Come. You don't pass this one where you do now. I don't say na crazy guy you be normally. Grace. I don't know the country that they go carry come. You don't say positive, they respect ourselves when they misbehave. Eh? They don't tell you.
We shall be Tigger. Now Tigger I'm gonna give you. No, na Tigger I'm gonna give you. For Kukuma say you want to ask you now. Your name na Tegwolo. Tegwolo gonna be your. That be your name. Sure?
Why
sure?
do you have problem with everybody? Why do you have problem with everything? Even my name. So what is wrong with you just saying Tigger?
What be which kind of PIKIN you even be self? Why the boy you carry you go church now? They know they give me that. I beg you. I beg me I want to ask you something. Which work can they do? Sure?
Work now, normal work.
No shall be normal work. You just tell me the work una dey do now. Abeg, oya just tell me. Me I dey find work. Me I need work oh. I need work take wolo. This life no be the way me I see am oh. Sure? See, you see me like this, so 5 naira wey wash, you no gum me.
You don't have to talk too much. I will just try and help you check for work around. Maybe since get work or something.
And you go try make you do am fast. You dey speak English, you do like this. You go try make you do am fast. As you dey talk as so dey do am. You go try make you do am fast because you know say as I dey hustle like this, na only me oh. Na me dey feed them for house. You know how e dey be. Sure?
Okay, well, I've heard you. I just said I'll see what I can do. Okay?
I don't hear. What so? Oh, I don't get rubber channel for you. I don't get where they play rubber music.
Must you worry about everything? Don't you know David too? Or David not the show for on TV for worry?
Who be David? What you concern me concern David? Play rubber channel for me or you give me Nathaniel music?
We'll not get. And the video one will they watch what you say.
So you dey tell me that say this city work I no go hear Nathaniel for here? It's not possible.
I'm really Nathaniel.
Sure? Sure.
Ah, the guy swag too much.
This swag, this one a swag. You look me finish, you call this a swag.
Don't joke. You don't finally choke. Hey girls, my cousin has been asking me questions about the kind of business that we do.
Why is that?
She wants to work.
That she should go and look for a job.
What are you saying? I promised mom said that I was going to help her.
Then let her come and join our line of business now. There's no big deal there. I mean, Rookie is a very pretty girl. All she needs is just a little touch up and she's good to go.
No. Not possible. See, far from it. You don't know Rookie well. Rookie will go to WARRI and blow her mouth like whistle and tell everybody what I do in this city. I can't even risk that. No.
Shoo. Is she a baby? Please, it's left for her to decide. She's not a child.
Oh, I don't know Rookie well. I'm so confused. Who's saying?
Well, for me, I don't have a problem with her joining us.
Same with me. I don't have any problem with that at all.
Like, seriously? Are you guys kidding me? I don't know Rookie well. You people don't know Rookie well. That guy is crazy. Rookie well, they're mad. She don't normal. I know fit. I can't even risk it. Seriously.
See who they talk. You where they talk, so you know ma. You where?
Tracy, you don't go understand.
I beg, I don't want to understand anything again. I dey go out.
You don't go feel understand.
Wait, ma.
You don't come on. That girl, man,
Don't touch, no go. Don't worry. By the time we arrange and you enter.
Who are you?
Oh, my name is Tony. I'm here to see Jessica. She in?
Jessica, not in. Who you be to Jessica?
Alright, Jessica is my girlfriend. So tell her Tony is here to see her.
Jessica is not in. Jessica no dey. Ha! She no dey house. I mean, I don't feel a stranger like you enter inside this house. You go wait for her. So?
Who are you? I've not seen you here before.
My name is Rukere. I be person. Sure?
I'm not a stranger, okay? I frequent this place. Moreover, you can ask the security man. He knows me very well.
Who be that? Silas. That way be say if you don't drink 1 or 2 ogogoro, your head no dey correct again. You go just put up for anybody, thief, arm robber, all of them. They will just enter the house anyhow. He allow you enter. He no even say okay. May he call people wey get house first. Now vex o. I no go allow you enter this house. I dey go buy something. Just stand here wait for Jessica. If you enter the house, now I go call police for you. I go allow thief you. I go allow you. Go enter the house o.
Hey.
Okay. Stand there wait for me.
Oh, you mean Tony?
So you mean say that guy still there, they wait for Jessica?
That's him.
Now wow. Ha. Ahem. I won't even warn you. He tell me say you Silas, you dey allow am dey enter inside the house. Him dey go in and out. They do I even speak frequent the house they go and come. If anything miss for my sister house. If anything miss for my sister house, Silas. Okay, just allow stranger they enter. Go inside. Go inside. Okay.
Thank God say na your sister dem come fine. No be you talk am no. Say na your sister dem come fine.
I don dey tell you my mind.
So the matter be. Rookie.
My name don't be Runky. My name no be Runky. I don't tell you say my name na Rukewe. Say if you fear God, you had Ogene join. Ogene na be God for English. Ogene Rukewe. Don't spoil my name.
Like say your clothes crumple.
Nothing do am.
The slippers they
leave me. I know how this scope way they use. I know them. I know what you they do.
Time because the often don't be say I won't beg you. You understand? Don't be beg go. After maybe find me something.
I know say now because of this my cellophane where I carry, don't they do you no. Nothing they come from here. You thought say you know one they chop bread where I buy a bit. 9 days here, so nothing for you. I just follow you sit down here because I don't want to go face that one. Now I will stick with you because now you don't they pursue me. But this food there, I can't even share out.
You be tight hand though. You be tight hand. I got you gone. Person no dey chop your thing. So person no fit chop wetin you hold for hand. Only you just dey chop to dey enjoy, dey chop everything. Try. You want see this kind of person no? Oh my.
You still there?
As you can see, I'm still here.
Hey, no?
Anyways, I already called her and she said she's on her way back. So I'll wait for her until she comes back.
That's how it's supposed to be. You don't see that what I tell you, say stranger know the enter person house. I think don't tell you now to me you wait for her and say they come. So you say go wait, No? But bro, so you true you day here since morning, they wait for one girl. Love the talk say he blind.
Psalm 20 verse 1. May the Lord answer you in the day of trouble. May the name of the God of Jacob defend you. May he grant you according to your heart desire and fulfill all your purpose in the name of Jesus Christ. You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. My Redeemer. You are worthy. You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. My Redeemer. You are worthy. Give him praise, give him praise, give him thanks. You have nothing to offer to his name. He is worthy to be praised. You must praise God with all your heart.
I didn't know I was going to take this long.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry. And why are you outside?
Your house guest, she won't let me in. She said I'm a stranger, I should not go inside. If I go inside, she's gonna scream. And she told me to sit down there and wait for you.
She locked you outside?
Yes.
So you've been here all along?
Yes, since. I'm sitting down here waiting for you.
Can you imagine this girl? Baby, come with me.
Look away!
Hey, come on, stop shouting.
Baby, come on.
Can I come in? Are you sure? I don't want to beat me up.
You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised.
What is the meaning of what you did? What did I do? Why did you lock my man outside?
Sure? You first tell me say person they come see you. No, you first tell me say person they come see you. I mean, you drop a picture for me. When you they come out now, you tell me say, look at one of you when they come or see a picture and then enter the house. You tell me, I might just allow stranger enter there. I mean, I can't see from my stars. It's not possible. Sure?
I don't blame you. I don't.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. I don't know what is wrong with this village thing.
I not blame you now. They say it's okay. You they cool. No, let me blow you. Because if I blow you, if I go like this, you see this or you not gonna even see you carry again. You not see you carry again. Nonsense. I blame you.
It's not your fault.
Not my own. Not my own fault. Not my own fault. But now you call them. Now you call them. If you not call here, this girl will insult me. This one picking up and say, I get your man for worry plenty. So when they come up for there. I'm going to stop my son. I'm not robot music with this. You use it to dance robot music. Shut up! Hey!
See, girl. Follow this your cousin too. Warn her. That thing will happen yesterday, make no repeat itself again. She don't get any right to lock my boyfriend outside. Make she don't use me play.
Jessica, don't worry. I will talk with her. Yeah? Just calm down. Please. Look away. You.
No, what do you
You
want?
again.
No, what do you want to tell me now? Not be me and a day. Oh, yeah, talk to me. If you want to talk to me direct. Why you dey do like this?
Now my friend.
If they're your friend, don't be my name. You not concern me. It concern me. The matter not concern me. Why you not talk to me? Sure? I do what I do bad. What thing I do bad?
Come on, body person.
What thing concern me? Concern person. But I dey protect you now. Now how start they protect? See all this one that they carry this with all this one. Now be okay. What if say before now I'm robber? What if say now I'm robber?
Now your boyfriend ain't be a robber. Like say they craze. You dey mad, Abi?
Wait, now you self calm down. Actually, you don't tell her. You don't tell her already. She don't talk to her. What do you mean your blood they hot like this? I don't just need this kind of noise.
My love, sorry. Yeah? Please, I apologize on her behalf. Just allow me handle this, okay? I'm so sorry. Ignore her. I'm supposed to get used to her madness by now. Right? Just ignore her. Leave Percy boyfriend. Come on, body.
Mad.
Yes, come on, body.
Me they mad. Take a look. Make this matter your die. Make this matter your die for you. So?
Look away. Come on, body, oh. Come on, body for Percy matter. Boyfriend is scarce. Leave Percy boyfriend alone. I won't say this again. You know the year word.
What you concern me? I don't I want shop.
Every time you want shop. You know day.
Who shall be no? I know a shop that don't when I cover for me for that. I know a shop. I'm gonna give me stash and baga.
Stash and baga no day.
I'm hungry now.
You go day like that.
When I go worry, I'll be like broom. Mama gonna tell my lesson and you make me be like.
You say I worry you day. Now street today. Anything you see, you go manage.
I don't manage anything. Now one pot of soup I cook. Don't say we dey manage and shop. Sure they give it to me. What I want it to me to. Sure.
Hunger never beat you.
I say like that. I have to finish. I never shut. Since I come this city like this, I dey find where you go play music, you know, for worry. For worry, any corner where you enter the music, any corner where you enter the music. Hey, this is what you do me say, but this with me.
So you mean say he enter?
He enter.
You like him?
I like him. Hey, silence.
Ma bust your head now. You see Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, where you know now? Now me teach her how to dance now.
Talk true.
Now they talk small.
True.
You see Peter and Paul of P Square. Those years, far back for school. All those times when they say they do dancing group. Now from my hand they learn dancing now. You don't know? Bust your head. You know Pokoli? Pokoli now where they do leg, boys sabi dance well now. Let me teach Poko how to dance now.
Hey! They talk and say no go to the underrated person and they look down on you since.
You see, they talk say,
they greet you,
they talk say, if you want get something from person where they are ahead of you, you got to bend down, mellow yourself, humble yourself.
Not true. I go down.
Hey,
Silas.
Silas. True, you want to learn dance?
I want to learn. No. Silas, you go teach me.
I go teach you now.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm not shaking now.
Hey.
Let's go there.
Hey.
All right now. This one. Do your leg like this now. Focus your face. Yes, focus. Okay now. Refila. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This party. Okay, wait.
Just don't sleep. You know they
sleep. Yeah, they sleep, they go. I ain't they sleep. We they go the party together. I don't ready. When I say they spread them, I they go.
Okay, wait, are you kidding me? Please, I'm so sorry. You don't supposed to go. You don't feel go like this now. You don't tell me say you won't go party now. I beg sleep here. Time don't.
Sure? No, what you do me now? Tell me, I don't get swag rich. You just reach me. I don't be around because of mosquito.
Please, I'm so sorry. You don't supposed to go. You don't feel go like this now. You don't tell me say you won't go party now. I beg sleep here. Time don't.
What do you they talk about for your mouth? What do they talk? No, what do they talk? What do you not bad? Why be say if I go there now, if I begin to dance for there now like this now, give them all my steps now. They go spray me past you.
Okay, well you look awful. You can't go up like this. No verse. I don't know say you get interest now. I'm gonna put your name for our list, make you follow us go. So I'm so sorry, You look awful. You can't go like this.
They talk. Sure. They talk say no man, no man, they kill man no. See my own sister. So now you even write the list. You don't put my name. So look at why I do spare. Why you not write my name for inside the list? So they go collect money. No worry. This way they do me so. No worry. Okay, Shana, alone I won't go the party now to go dance and make them give you the money. Now come here, go sleep like that. I don't know.
I'm so sorry. I beg go sleep here. I beg. Good night. Babe, please let me go.
I beg. I don't want laugh. Don't make me laugh. No, you for to wear pants now. See what you want to wear pants. You will go show me what they have. You resemble us now. Wait till we are waiting for the same thing. I see. My sister, no one make malaria do me. So, come here, beg go. Say you open my mouth, so fight you now. You go come they like that. Say malaria they do you. As I catch up like you not carry mosquito one back. If not you are stopper. Sure. It's not going to now what I'm going to do. I love you this is drink one. Sit down. Sit down now. Sit down. Share clean, nothing to ask. Sit down. You there now, you drink some. You know, drink. Just shut this morning. Because I'm very appreciate where they go. And the best way man has a story is, and they go. No, that's it. I need that they put best cost for markets. How you doing?
Yep, thank you for the amazing reception.
Oh, hello. If I don't do it now, they go to say I keep person boyfriend for our side. Now don't worry, I don't think I can't disrespect person though.
Really?
Ha, bros. Not be smart in that day. You see that day when you come, when you and your girlfriend they shout on me that day. You know, and when my sister come, this girl come tell me say me I leave in boyfriend for our side. What I mean, I don't know say in boyfriend skin and milk. Bro, milk they your skin. If I say my liquor now, I go say milk. Sure, don't be smart, you know. You can't they cost me. They let my sister they shout on me. They shout on me say I leave it for our side.
It's alright.
You pay me, oh.
It's alright. I'm sorry.
Sure.
I'm sorry for everything that happened that day. It was my fault. But at the same time, you were looking out for them. You don't want strangers to go into the house when you don't even know the person.
Aha! At least one person don't know say something na something. No, one person don't get sense. Now say you know say you get sense. You just see and say stranger no supposed enter person. As for worry, you not try am. For worry, you go yak up person just enter the house just like that. You don't go try am. Sure. My boys, bust butter for your head. You go yak up person house. Now make I tell you say, may you wait. May your girlfriend come. When your girlfriend come, carry your house if you know you. But if you don't know, you go tell you say go. Whether you be thief, me I'm not gonna know. No, not that time. No say now me and you not afraid. That time you say you be thief, cause you just come. You know say you just come, you open the door like say now you get the key to the house. I make I say you don't fear enter the house. Sure? Cause that bad banana me and you not friend now.
You know you're really funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're really funny.
Yeah.
Always cracking me up. So have you eaten?
Oh yeah. Not build seafood, they shop food. No, not build seafood, they shop food, bros. Sure? Never shop.
Does that mean no?
Bros, now what I talk now? I say I never shop. If you see the kind of food where they gave me for bros. If you see the kind of food, if not be this drink where they make my bone they strong. You go they see me, I go they work like this, logo. Sure?
Alright. Can we go get something to eat?
You say what?
Let's go get something to eat.
Bros, the only way I go baby follow you now. You say you go tell me say you go give me banka soup. I'm ready. You go put stash. Or you go give me papa gari and pig. Or you go give me a bread.
It's alright, you have everything you want there. Let's go.
They get this thing for this city. Still on a weekend. So you mean say they get all those things for you? Night twig wall no gree carry me go. Banka soup there here. Bros, papa gari there. Let's go. You go give me banka and something I go sell. Bros, you buy me this food. Carry take it away. They give you bagaras for life. For what? They give you bagaras for life. It's alright. Hey.
Tigio. One her. What right does she have to go out with my man? What right does she have?
I'm sure she doesn't have any bad intention. So calm down. Is that why you're shouting?
Really? So now wait till you get to talk with that one. She does not have any bad intention. Eh? First, she locked my man outside. Now she want to follow my man, they come out. Until which left now?
Jessica, your body too hot. I said just calm down, don't worry. When she comes back, I'll find out what happened. So chill.
You check him now. Check him. He good. See, my body they hot. I dey vex. As I do on my own now, me nobody no call use the ones for my own. As I do on my own now, me nobody find my trouble. I know one wahala. I just tell you now.
You never reach like that now. Calm down. I know Rukewe. I know what she can do. Still, don't worry. When she comes back, I'll find out what happened. Just relax.
You know what she can do. I don't tell you. You better follow and talk. I go break both for person head. I dey vex so. May nobody use me play.
Yes,
I don't tell you now.
The matter never reach like that. Now why you dey overreact?
Yeah, hold it there. I am back. What did you think? You think you will sneak around with this fool and I won't find out.
Hey, come on, what is it? What did I do? Where have I gone wrong? Rookie was only hungry and I want to get her food to eat.
Really?
Yes.
And what right do you have to take her out? Huh? You don't have any right to take Rookie or anyone out in this house.
No, wait. Jessica, what you call the breeder what they call now? No, what is the breeder what they call? Say I'm hungry now, the bros just say, okay, may you buy me food now, now it be problem. No, now it be problem. Tell me now, why be problem? Jessica, you wicked. Tracy, you said you wicked. Anyway, what you gonna do? He said wicked. Oh, now tell me so I no get banga soup for you, and I no get a meal you. Oh, now they lie.
Look, shut the
I'm not gonna shut up. I'm not gonna shut up. Sure. Person they tell you say, wanna buy me banga rice, wanna buy me a meal you, that's what I no get. Bros, thank you. Bros, thank you. If you say the banga soup, where this bros buy for me? If you see the young one they put in the boy, bros, it's a bit substantial. Your boyfriend is shop prostitution. You see the way they call this station?
Look, shut your mouth.
What did I do?
What is wrong with you?
Sure. Just what is wrong with what has come over you? You're not only embarrassing her, you're also embarrassing me. Huh?
Oh? I'm embarrassing you?
Yes!
So Tony, I'm embarrassing you now. You're defending this thing. You're siding for her. Eh? No problem.
You know what? I think I've overstayed my welcome. Probably I should go. Thank you.
Bros, okay, don't worry, you need to rest, sir, because the work not easy. Sure. Bro, thank you. Thank you. At least I changed wardrobe. Jessica, this is what you do so, eh? When you made this my bros first, I'm not giving it from there as well. You see, this is what you do so.
Look, thunder will fire you. Thunder will scatter your nyash.
You will scatter your nyash too.
Stupid thing.
You. I don't say it's a bishop. You go shop and garage. You go shop and garage,
smelling thing.
Yeah.
Go beg your boyfriend. The boyfriend they have to get to. You know the matter. Go beg her now. Go beg your boyfriend. Don't tell you my own.
Where are you going?
Eh?
Was I wrong?
No. But go beg your boyfriend. Boyfriend hard. Go beg him. Very important. You will not.
This rookie, this girl, eh? I will deal with her in this house.
Go beg your boyfriend. I don't talk my own. Not to say I don't talk.
Every day na trouble. Every day na wahala.
I never tell you sit here and sit make you know you do those local things. Sister, good afternoon or good morning.
Sister Mingo, I'm waiting my lecture.
Where can you Mingo for that side? Go sit down.
I don't want to sit down. I already know what you want to.
Look at I say make you sit down.
Sister, whether I sit down or I stand at the same thing. Don't tell me what you want to tell me. Me about the rest.
No, hear what do. Anyway, how you and Jessica boyfriend waka? Now what you dey find for Percy boyfriend body?
What I beg go? Who should be me and Percy boyfriend tell waka again? Me I don't say na wetin that one don't come tell you now. How me and the boyfriend waka? I say I want shop. He say okay, maybe we go shop food. Now party na do. Don't be shopping not because say maybe they help your neighbor. God I beg go. Sure.
And it's nothing you gonna show. You show like say you don't go to a village for worry. Make I tell you when she say she don't want you and her boyfriend make una dey see each other again. She don't want. Come on body for Percy boyfriend. Go find your own boyfriend.
I don't want. Boyfriend. I know they follow him. No wahala. He say make I no follow him boyfriend talk again. Problem no dey. I no greet am. If I see him, I pass left, he pass right. Shey matter don die.
Yes, it's better like that.
It's better like that. Ma dey go.
Okay, carry yansh. You need to go find your own boyfriend. He say yeah, na worry. They carry big yansh. You no get packaging. Just like for your yansh. I tell you make you the package or make you the pimp. Make you for get your own boyfriend for town. Yeah. You wear to like back rider. You no go hear word and leave Percy boyfriend. How you able to see boyfriend? Such a good dress.
Every day na trouble. Every day na wahala. Who can we go kill it? Percy, you tamato nawa.
Landlord, you're welcome. Safa, come and join us now.
I no tell you say I dey hungry. I no join you. Now my money I come for.
Try to calm down. No. You don't start with the shout.
Calm down. Now money I want. If I no get the money, make I call somebody. I don't even call boys. Don't say make I call. I don't call them. They call. Make them throw and I come out for this place now.
Landlord, you never get to that point. I beg. I take God beg you.
You don't come safe. See.
She be this.
Now.
Maruke. You Maruke now?
You know Ruke?
Sure. I know Sabi Ruke. You don't know me. Let me be papi now. Everybody know me here now. Let me be papi for this full area. I may be papi. You supposed to know me now. I know Ruki very well. Sure. I'm gonna run things here now.
Papi.
I may be papi. Now you say I call invite.
Now I say make you back come out my day. Ask me again.
You dey talk to me like that? My call. See, listen, now me be papi. I get authority. People know me here. Let me they arrange here. For this full area, everybody they respect me. This woman here na my personal person. Based on that, this woman go stay this house until you decide to pack. When you don't tire, you feel shifts. You don't go pay 1 naira for this house again. Now papi na they talk. You don't go pay 1 naira till you go come out here. You hear what I tell you?
Papi the papi.
Na me na.
Papi Lolo.
As for you, you don't hear an Abi? You hear Kowe Abi?
I hear.
I repeat her.
No.
So how you go be now? You go mash now.
No push me, I beg.
You dey give me command, man, not push you.
Because.
Ashana, come out here.
Papi the papi.
What do you even build yourself? Huh? People that build this story? Now me be papi for this area. Nobody. Huh? Now me be papi. A.K.O. Temu Noruemu.
Papi Lolo.
Yes, so now, you hear am? You go stay here where you don't tire. You go shift, you go come out. 1 naira, you no go pay again. Relax. I mean, they control this area. Nobody to help me, they control. Anybody when they come and they put her here, you dey feel am? Mona relax, they hear me so. Mona poro. What that talk?
Oro.
I say what?
Make me poro.
Poro.
Papi Lolo.
Now the sugar nuts. No, not they arrange this kind of thing. But if you bring a cup, yeah. Yes, I bring a come and arrange 1 or 2. Relax.
Papi. Papi. Oro. Papi. Papi. Just like that. Free house. You don't become landlord. Free tenants. Free house. Mama, make we no fight for them because of grandchildren.
I did fine. How na dey for that side? Oh man, then so you don't see me finish. Ah! Well, I did fine. No dey cause any wahala. Ha! Malami said they follow bad gang before. Malami, you no worry yourself. Everywhere do okay. Everybody do okay. Sure? Take care. I don't hear you. Just take care of Malay, yeah? How the faith and the man Muslim? Papi Cholo unko. Wahala. No wahala. Bye-bye, eh? Okay. Sure. This corner, God, they make me one miss for you one kind. Okay.
Look away. Are you with this? See how she hot. Stand well now. You know before.
But she's looking so fine.
Yeah.
I told you guys that all she needed was just a little touch. And look at the magic.
Look at where I turn around. Turn, let's see. Let's see her backside.
Sure? I want to turn. I want to move my leg.
Just try and just turn. But the back and you shoot and the day I won't see and wait. Turn, small. Turn it. Stop. I don't worry, you fine like that. More go. Go for it. I'm very holy. You go small, they teach you sin. That's what boy you do sin. Everything there now. Gang. Waka fast. I don't really.
for there. So, now this kind of thing that you carry me go do. Abi, you don't tell me say now what work now they do. Eh?
Rukewe, what was the meaning of that nonsense you did there? Wasn't that on me, Rukewe?
Sure.
Wasn't it worrying you?
What did I do?
How dare you walk out of the senator like that? Are you okay? How dare you?
Who be senator? Who here? Percy Papa? Sure. So, you okay no? Tell me now, as you carry me go there, what do you expect me to do? Eh? Make I follow and do wetin? Now my wife friend.
Look at me, keep quiet.
Keep quiet. Now my husband. What happen? Sure. I tell you the fair work. I tell you I want to a shower. I tell you I want to a shower like now.
Look at where. I go slap you.
Go slap me now.
Don't make me vex. I go slap you.
Slap me.
On my shop block, you take the play. You dey okay so?
God I beg.
Call you this one. Wetin dey worry yourself?
He dey worry you for head?
You say? Go. Wetin dey worry yourself? Eh? Wetin be your problem? Okay, yes, we be asha. Wetin can happen? Now which step I be that we wan end am? Wetin be your problem? No, you do that nonsense again. Not try am again. Not try am.
Look away. Make I even enlighten you. I can see you are very dumb and daft at the same time. Your brain, you dey touch. You no connect well. See your mouth. Any small thing, ashawo. You dey observe person well. You resemble ashawo for your eye. You resemble ashawo for your eye. Ashawo go fit live for this kind of house. Babe, we are rose girls. Now paro we dey do. Better paro wey be say if you enter money go drop. Don't call anybody a shower for you.
You be a shower. I talk am again.
I'm not China now.
No, you China. You don't say my head that dress is not Chinese.
I don't remember this year because
what did you do?
Lie to you.
What did you do? No.
I say whatever you be now, be I say blood to be We go run around make it sense.
Run now. Nonsense. You don't know the open mouth. They say you there for action. You there for action. Which kind ask my lady they stay for worry? Tell me now. Which kind ask my lady?
They try me.
What did they tell me?
You dey try me.
God I beg. They pride. They carry body up. Sure? God I beg.
Blood. If not, if another person for street try this rubbish, I will use this my hand. I will remove your hand.
Because say you be my cousin, no. You fair know me before. Say me I know they take nonsense of person. Now because say you be my cousin, no. You know that one. If not, what thing I for do? You not go like am o. No wonder. And I say I be night worker. Now the night worker be this now. I shall go work. Okpo. I know you blame me.
If not be say you be my person, what thing I for do you? Now my shop plug you want to do toothpick.
What you want to do me?
My shop plug now you did it.
I want to do me. I better take your bag. The bag where who give me the bag? Now you give me this one. When I come, shushu you want to break. Carry your wig. You go color your shop. When I go clean this, you come up with my face.
See this. Don't give me go. I'm about to beat this girl here. There's no sense with this now.
Hey, who send me? Who send me carry this guy person? Who send me? They carry family till they do business. Can you just imagine?
This life, So all this one where these girls they form fine girl up and down, so they post new clothes, new this, new phone, new that. Now what? Now they do. I shall cover, now they do. Hi! God I beg go. Hi! And people go they see them, they envy them. Go they envy them, no say na fake life, now they do. They say their body take they make money. This life, they don't know say everything where they shine one, no be gold though. Everything where they shine one, no be gold though. God I beg you. No wahala.
But I go make am. I go make am. Look away. You go make am. e no compulsory say you go do ashawo to make am for this life. There are other means for you to succeed. And that means I go do am. Rukewe, you go make am.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir? Babes, that was Senator.
What's happening?
Baba the para. In the verse, he said we messed up last night.
You should understand that it wasn't your fault now, eh? It's that stupid cousin of yours that caused the whole thing.
Right now, he's telling me to send back the money he gave to us.
How about now? We never reach like that. Normally, him knows that you they deliver well. This small mistake now, why in the verse like this?
You see? So you see why I didn't want that girl to join us in this business? You see why we don't want to carry her along when they say make her alarm? This girl now will just go back to WARRI now, go come out war now, go tell them how to take day for here.
I don't understand you. Why you they talk like that? I don't understand. The girl who they feed you if they break. You who they pay your bills.
I don't know.
Yeah, you don't understand. These people think high of me. I don't feel for myself hand like this now. I'm just gonna fuck up with this.
My dear, such is life. We all have our story to tell. So you cannot kill yourself because of anyone. Calm down. You have to take it easy.
Babe, see, try to talk to Rukewe now, eh? I'm sure she will understand. Just put her for her body now. You know the matter. Put her for her body.
I'm just gonna fuck up with this. The whole senator, my sure connect. This time I sure connect now. I want to refund them.
Are you bring and come now? Now you carry and come.
I don't understand you. Which one be are you bring and are you carry and come? Where that get safe? She did.
How do I know? How do I know? Make I think. My head no dey function well. Because I need to think of what to do. I need to think of something.
Rukewe, what exactly happened today?
Madam, you know say me, I know they hide my own. I know they lie. My mother for WARRI no teach me how to lie. I just dey go straight.
Rukewe, just answer my question. What exactly happened today?
I tell her say yeah, they smell.
Rukewe, why would you even say a thing like that to a customer? Why?
Oh, madam, the truth be that now. The girl true here they smell. Madam, you need to see the hair, God.
And
Jesus.
you even repeated it before me.
What not the truth now?
Is it? Rukewe, is there something wrong with you?
Share wahala be this. Let's say this my mouth said I need to swam.
See that you do sew that your mouth. Else I'll be forced to sew it for you.
Madam, true, you want my sew my mouth?
Rukewe, are you okay? Is there something wrong with you? Now listen to me. Rukewe, make sure this madness never repeats itself again. Do I make myself clear?
Madam, you no clear. You no clear at all. Because true, you dey try tell me now say make I go fire because of you. No go possible.
Rukewe.
I don't feel like if I see bad, I will talk am.
Rukewe, just step out for a bit.
Huh?
Step out for a little bit.
Step to where, madam?
Just step out for a bit.
Ha! Wait, madam, I want to understand something. I sack the sack my baby, make I just go outside.
Just step out for it. Don't let me lose it.
I make I go say go sit down. I push up the step. Madam, when you don't lock me for outside, I don't know if you madam I beg. Now mistake I prefer. I say I go dey lie.